Good morning, dear students. Welcome to sixth class, General Science. Now, in this class, we discuss about separation technique methods. Okay, various kinds of separation technique methods are adapted for. We can separate out components from the mixes. Do you know what is the mixer? Mixer is made of two or more than components or substances that are mixed together. Okay, from that mixes we can separate out components from the mixes. We adapt for certain physical methods. Okay, what are the physical methods are adapted for can separate out the components from the mixers. Okay, first one is a hand picking method. The next one is winnowing method. Next one is a filtration method. Next one is a sieving method. The next one is a distillation method and sublimation method and chromatography methods. Various physical methods are adapted for which separate out the components from the mixes. Okay, friends. Now look at first one is a hand picking method. Hand picking method. Okay, Amma? We look at hand picking method. It is a physical method. This method is adapted for your removal of, your separation of the unwanted materials. These unwanted materials are picking with your hands and to separate out. For example, now you take rice. In this rice, the presence of unwanted materials like pebbles, mud particles, small stones, and so on, etc. These unwanted materials they are picking with hands and they are separate out from the rice. So it is that rice and also pulses. It is a hand picking method. It is a hand picking method. In this methods, the unwanted materials size is larger than compared to that rice. Okay. So this is the direct physical method, hand picking method. And next one is that winnowing method. Winnowing method. In this method, winnowing method, to separate out husk and grains from the mixture of a husk and grains. The farmers are to trace the crop of a paddy or their crops, tracing. Finally, they were getting the mixture of husk and grains. How can you separate out the husk from the grains? So, here the farmers have to stand a biggest platform and to take the mixture of husk and grains. This is that slowly allowed and to dropping from the certain height, that is a flat form. On the windy days, the winds are blowing. These winds are to carry the lighter particles of a husk. So the husk is carried out with winds and goes to forward. Next one, the grains particles are heavier. So these grains particles are to fall down vertically down on the floor. So all the grains are to form as like of a heap on the ground, on the floor. The remaining of husk particles are to carried out with along the direction of the winds. This is called winnowing method. This method is adopted by the principle of the lighter particles are very less denser than compared to the grains. So based on the densities, can separate out the husk from the grains. This is the principle of a winnowing process. Okay, ma? Okay.